In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mute or silence audio. First, I will show you how to mute audio tracks. Then I'll show you how to mute individual clips. And finally, I'll show you how to mute linked clips. To mute an audio track in your sequence, all you have to do is just click on M. You see the tooltip says Mute Track. Just click on M. Now, any audio that is placed on this track will be muted or silenced. And you can mute as many tracks as you want. So all three of these audio tracks are muted. If I press the spacebar, I should hear no sound. And if I unmute one of the tracks, the audio will start playing. Click on the M to mute the entire track. And if you want to mute individual clips of audio on the timeline, it's not very obvious, but it's very easy to do. First, select the clip or multiple clips that you want to mute. If you want to select multiple clips on a Mac, you're going to press Command-Shift. On Windows, you're going to press Control-Shift. Then you can click as many individual clips as you want. And to mute those, all you have to do is right-click or Control-Click. Then you just need to click on Enable in order to disable that clip. So the clip is currently enabled. So the audio is going to play. If I check this, it's going to disable those selected clips. If I click off, you will see the disabled clips are grayed out, indicating that they have been disabled or muted. I'm going to press S to solo this track. That just means it's only going to play audio on this track, and it's going to ignore the audio on the other tracks. And if I press the space bar, you'll see it's been muted. And if I want to unmute it, I'm going to right-click or Control-Click, click on Enabled. The audio will play. And if you want to mute the audio of linked clips, so the video and the audio are linked together, if you select the audio and right-click and Control-Click and click on Enable, that's going to disable both the video and it's going to mute the audio. If you only want to mute the audio, but you don't want to affect the video, well, press the Option key on a Mac, Alt on Windows, and then just click on the audio. That will select the audio only, and now you can right-click or Control-Click. Click on Enable to disable. That will mute the audio, but you'll still be able to see the video. And if you want to unmute it, just right-click or Control-Click on Enable.